These TikTok videos go viral every single time, and people are creating tons of such videos on a daily basis. That's because these videos are interactive and force the viewer to watch till the end. And that is why there are millions of views on these videos. In this video, I will show you how to create such general knowledge quiz videos by using just one AI tool, and create a template to edit it and create even more videos easily. This particular person posts videos on TikTok and makes money from the TikTok creativity program. In the same way, you can make money from TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. The formula is simple. These videos are based on entertaining quiz, captivating visuals in the background, AI voiceover, and impeccable sound effects and transitions. Now, the first step is to create a quiz. You can go to ChatGPT and write the prompt as, come up with 10 general knowledge quiz questions and 3 multiple choice answers. Put it all in a table with these columns. Question, answer, option 1, option 2, option 3. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will create the quizzes in table format, which you can copy and paste in your Google Sheet to save for later. Second step is to create our video template. I'm going to use Wondershare Filmora 13 because it provides all the AI tools under one roof, and I don't have to use multiple websites for different tasks. You can also create your quiz script by using Filmora 13's AI copywriter. Just write your prompt, and it will create a script for you. So to start with our video, I will click on New Project button, then click on this icon here to open up the project settings. Set the aspect ratio as 9:16 and click on OK button to save the changes. Now the third step is to generate our voiceover. Simply go to the Titles tab and drag and drop any basic text element onto the project timeline. Double-click on it to open up the editing panel, and just make sure to copy your quiz script line by line from here and paste into the text box, because we want the exact punctuation as ChatGPT has provided us with. Once the script is pasted, now copy the next quiz and paste similarly. I'd recommend at least 3 quizzes per video. Now, right-click on the text element in the timeline and select text-to-speech. First of all, select the language of your script, because Filmora 13 supports multiple languages. Next step is to select a voiceover profile. Click on the play button to listen to each voice and choose the one you like by clicking on it. Make sure to activate this auto match option and click on the OK button. And in just a few seconds, Filmora 13 will generate a voiceover file and add it to the media library. Click on this text element and press the delete button on your keyboard. Now we have the voiceover ready, we can move this playhead and click on the scissors icon to split the audio into smaller parts and adjust as per the need. I'll come back to it later. Now the fourth step is to find the background videos. Fortunately, you can go to the Stock Media tab in Filmora 13 and click on Partners option at the left sidebar. Now select the filter as videos and search for any kind of stock footage. You can use these videos for free. Since our topic is general knowledge, we can search for the videos related to our video theme. This is a huge library of stock footages which you can use in your videos. Creativity is totally up to you. When you drag and drop the stock footage onto the project timeline, Filmora 13 will ask you to choose between project settings or match to media clip. Just click on Keep Project Settings. Then double-click on the footage to open the editing panel and increase its scale value to fill the portrait screen. You can also use the position boxes to adjust the sides. Now, the fifth step is to find the images to use in our quiz. For that, simply select the filter as Photos and search for the relevant photo. In this case, I will search for Mars. Drag and drop it onto the project timeline. Since we have 3 quizzes in one video, each quiz should last for 8 to 9 seconds. If you are making videos for TikTok creativity program, then you should create 6 to 7 quizzes per video so that the video can be of 1 minute or above. Now, the sixth step is to add captions or on-screen text. Simply go to Titles tab and drag and drop any basic title onto the project timeline. Then click on it to select it, go to the editing panel and paste the quiz question. Break it into parts to fit on the screen. In the preset section, choose any particular style you like and set the font size. Click on Animation tab at the top and apply any particular effect. On the project timeline, drag the text element from the right edge to adjust its duration. Now, right-click on the text element and select Copy. Paste it on the timeline. Put the multiple choice answer here in the box. Use the position box to move it below the main text. Also change its text color if you want. Copy and paste this text element and repeat the same steps. After that, copy it one more time and write the correct answer in this box. Place it at the end of the quiz and adjust its duration to 2 seconds. Repeat the same steps again and add all other quizzes and join them together on the timeline and match with the audio voiceover. Once all of this is done, it's time to add one more element. Go to Stickers, tab at the top, and search for Timer in the search bar. Drag and drop any timer effect onto the project timeline. Now finally, let's add some sound effects and background music. Simply go to the Audio tab and search for Suspense. Drag and drop any music you like onto the audio track in the timeline. You can split and adjust it later. Just drag this line to lower the volume a little bit. Now click on the sound effect option in the sidebar, then click on the ding option. Drag and drop any suitable sound effect on the timeline and match it with the answer of the quiz. And lastly, we need to add the timer sound effect. Just search for a timer in the search bar to see the matching options, then drag and drop it onto the timeline and adjust it with the timer. Copy and paste it for other quizzes as well. Let's see how it looks.
Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn. Mars. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean.
Once all of this is done, you can save this project by going to File and then Save Project. Select a location to your device and put a name for this project as Quiz Template. Next time, you only have to replace the voiceover, text, and photos. To finish the video, click on the Export button at the top right corner and put a name for this video, set a location for saving the file, and click on the Settings button. Set the bitrate mode to CBR and put a value of 15,000. Click on Apply and then click on Export. And your quiz video is ready. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe if you are new here, and I'll see you in the next one.